On this one, it says consider the graph for the function f of x equals e to the x. So this is what that would look like. That's the exponential function e to the x. And it says which statement describes a feature of g of x, which is e to the x minus 7. Now what that minus 7 is going to do, the minus 7 is really just going to shoot this down 7 units. Okay? So this minus 7, the transformation that does to the graph is it's just going to translate it or slide it down minus 7. In other words, and let me show you on the graphing calculator. So if I come in here and I clear this out and I say e to the x, that's the original parent function of e to the x. And now I'm going to say e to the x minus 7. And so now when I look at the graph, what you'll see, that's the parent function that we see, and then the next graph will just be 7 units down. That's it. That's all it does. So let me make a copy of that graph. And we'll slide that bad boy over here to the right of our original function. And so this is f of x here, right? That's our original function. And then this one right here is g of x, right? Which is equal to e to the x minus 7. So which of these statements is true? Well, the domain is all real numbers. The range is greater than 7, negative 7. So that's not true. The y-intercept is at 0, negative 7. Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, this is at 0, comma, negative 6. So that's not true. Does it have a horizontal asymptote at negative 7? Well, this is negative 7, and the answer is yes. It will never cross this line. It'll get close, but it'll never cross that line. So the correct answer is A. That's it.